This is a quick update on my recent video named Laplet Binder DIY version. I've been using the new version of Laplet Binder for about 2 months now with my brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, and I'd like to show you what I've learned and some tips I think will help you if you decide to make one for yourself. To see what I'm talking about, stay tuned. One thing I noticed immediately is that the 3-ring binders are huge. I see them all the time, but I guess I've never really had to squeeze them into a backpack. Once I did, I realized how inconvenient that made the Laplet Binder. To fix this, I evaluated different options for using Laplet Binder on smaller binders, and the one that appealed to me the most was simply cutting away part of the unnecessarily giant-sized covers. I did this to both the front and back covers, and it was very simple with a straight edge and sharp box cutter. I also covered the cut edge with a few coats of white glue to help it hold up better to daily usage. After mounting the Velcro strips and keyboard, my new Laplet Binder was ready for use. The size was a lot better and it slid into my backpack easily. Another problem I noticed early on was that the binder cover that held the tablet up fell backward or forward rather easily. To fix this, I got a piece of chopstick and cut out a short length from the wide end, then cut that into a wedge, slightly more than the already wedge shape a chopstick already has. With this pushed through the binder ring, then through the hole in the Kydex sheet holding the tablet, it helped stabilize the setup at least a little. It's not the level of stability of a laptop, but it's good enough for me. I don't have any video of this, but I used a hole saw like this one and made a cutout in the Kydex sheet to make room for the tablet's rear camera. The oversized hole makes it easier when remounting the tablet to the Kydex. The larger hole avoids misalignment that a small hole could cause. The protective sheet provides a layer of protection between the keyboard and the Tab S4 touchscreen. I felt it would be useful at times when I used the Tab S4 with the keyboard, then shut down and close things up just like that. I think the Tab S4 has a durable screen, but the protective sheet is just an added measure I felt I wanted to take. And that's it. You might have noticed in this video, my tablet for the Laplet Binder is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. On top of that, some of you might be surprised to know that I decided on getting the Tab S4 over the new Asus C434 Chromebook. I had researched Chromebooks for about 6 months now, and when I had heard of the C434, I was really excited and felt this is the point in time where I'd finally move away from Android and onto a new platform. Part of the appeal though was that Chromebooks are starting to get better at running Android apps, which was extremely important to me right now. I liked the laptop form factor, the touchscreen capability if the need for a tablet arose, the fact I'd now have the Chrome OS library of software at my disposal and still be able to keep my Android software. Well, after digging deeper into the Android part of this dream, I came to realize all that glitters is not what you might hope for. The dilemma with Chromebooks running Android apps is that there seems to be a huge price-to-performance disparity when compared to a typical Android tablet. After lots of hands-on testing at Best Buy and lots of research online, I realized Chromebooks were not ready for Android. The price I'd have to pay to even get reasonable performance was a bit ridiculous. With that, I decided to stick strictly with Android. Hence the Tab S4 you see now as my new Laplet Binder. If you have any questions about this video, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, that's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.